This is an Unpacked like no other.
The Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus are here. Pro-grade camera quality with a new 50-megapixel wide lens with a larger sensor and a new 10-megapixel tele lens with 3 times optical zoom. AI autofocus, BDIS, and Super HDR in-app camera of your favorite social apps. The Galaxy S22 series will take your daily life to the next level.
Meet the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It comes in 4 bold classic colors. The first Galaxy S series model ever with a built-in S Pen. Immersive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, the powerful 4nm processor, our fastest chip ever.
Capture your favorite moments in the dark of night. Introducing Nightography.
To provide clear and stable night video, dual-track image stabilization solution with OIS and VDIS.
Pro Mode, Expert RAW, giving you full control of your camera's lenses. Lightroom, you can edit like a pro. Galaxy S22 Ultra will be available at $1,199.
We are bringing the power of Ultra to our tablets for the very first time with the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. With its 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display, the 6.3mm bezel, with dual cameras positioned on the long side of the tablet, innovative auto-framing, LumaFusion, professional video editing experience. With Google Duo's live sharing capability, you can easily brainstorm together. Samsung Notes is one of our most beloved native apps.
The Galaxy ecosystem provides seamless access to apps on Google Play, including YouTube Music, Google Assistant, right from your Galaxy Watch 4. The Galaxy Watch 4 to help you achieve a healthy sleeping habit. Their most customizable smartwatch yet. Our all-new Samsung Wallet will carry your digital valuables.
That's the Galaxy experience. Our top priority is and has always been to protect you. Galaxy for the planet. First smartphone to incorporate repurposed fishing nets. OS upgrades to 4 generations. Thank you for joining us.
The Galaxy experience is designed for you, to be personalized by you. One UI 4 is now more intuitive, secure, and easier to use, with more effortless ways to customize your experience the way you want.
The camera experience is amazing on the Galaxy S22. With One UI 4, you can easily capture your one-of-a-kind artistic vision. Just look at these photos. Check out the intuitive user experience. Go from photo to video to continuous video. Just tap, hold, and swipe.
Okay.
Want to capture like a pro? Pro Mode always gave you ways to customize the camera, but now the experience is much more intuitive. Get creative with night shots, like this amazing light trail. And Pro Mode now works with each and every lens. Many of our beloved Galaxy camera features now work directly in the in-app camera of your favorite third-party social media apps. From Instagram to Snapchat and TikTok, share your best takes with the world. Sometimes, you may want to make a few quick edits, so your photos and videos are truly unique. Sync your gallery with OneDrive so you can access it across devices. That means you can start editing on your phone and continue editing details on a bigger screen, seamlessly.
Wow, schedule looks super packed this week. Thinking about manually adding all these events to your calendar? No need. One UI can pick out the important info and add it to your calendar like this.
You're welcome.
The app you were just using on your S22, pick up where you left off on your Windows PC. Now that's seamless experience across platforms. One UI is now on Galaxy Tab 2. Have you seen it yet? Take a look. Literally one look. Everything you're working on, all on one immersive screen. It doesn't just look better, it's also more efficient. If you're watching a video and want to search at the same time, you don't want to flip back and forth between apps. Just drag to split the screen. Oh, a text? Okay, let's open that too. You can even change the layout. Whether you prefer to draw with the S Pen or type on the book cover keyboard, your work will flow smoothly. And with keyboard shortcuts, emojis are right at your fingertips. Like this.
Can that wallet even close with all those cards? Student ID, driver's license, credit cards, and even rewards cards? Most of this can go into Samsung Wallet, so you can carry less while accessing more. Worried about keeping it all safe? Rest assured your data is protected by our defense-grade security solution. And see who we're partnering up with to elevate your mobile experience. Samsung Wallet makes your daily life more convenient, and so does the Galaxy Watch 4.
One UI and Galaxy Watch 4 help analyze your sleep patterns and provide guides to create better sleeping habits. Sweet dreams. There's a whole wide world to explore with Galaxy. Whatever you're looking for, you'll find it with the new and upgraded One UI 4. After all, it's your Galaxy, your way.